Hi again, YouTube. This is Dan Kesterke. You're watching the Drum Lessons with Dan YouTube channel. I know, super creative, right? Anyway, we're doing drum tuning tutorials. So if you hadn't had a chance to see my tom tuning tutorial or my snare drum tuning tutorial, click the banners above and go check those out when you're done. This is a 16 by 16 inch Yamaha Maple Custom floor tom. It needs new heads. My band has a gig tomorrow, so I bought new heads. We're putting them on. So just kind of showing you which products I use. These are not endorsements necessarily, because they don't pay me yet to say I like them, but I really like the way these sound when they're done. So hopefully you'll get some use out of this video, and the first thing I need to do is strip the heads. So here we go. All right, just like the other drums, you gotta polish them and clean the bearing edges off and get them ready for the new heads. So next step. All right. Bottom head first. So just like the other rack tom, we're tuning this to a 75 on the drum dial. I'm using a Genera resonant drum head. And because it's floor tom, just gotta find the badge. All right, good. Bearing edge conditioner. This is manufactured and distributed by Drum Dial. All right, head on. All right, check. Get the gunk out here. Stuff to put on, so we've got 8. So unlike my other Maple Custom drums, these you can get down pretty far before using your key, which is good. So make sure that the hoop and the head and the rim and all that good stuff are lined up, tightened. Drum key. Alright. So same idea. On a Maple Custom drum, I turn until there's no gap. All right, just barely grabs. All right, drum dial time, let's see where we're at. Aiming for 75, way low, that's no problem. Let's do quarter. All right, got it. All right, top head, same process. All right, bearing edge. conditioner. Goop on the lugs. Batter head, Evans EC2, 2-ply. Put it on there. Looks pretty good. Drum kit. Aiming for 75. We are almost there already. This is awesome. Just like, all right. Well, that's pretty good. Got a couple weird lugs. So I'm going to kind of eye them. So it's this one and this one. So let's see what it sounds like though. So 75 and 75 on each head respectively. That's still pretty nice. So usually for the floor tom, I do 2 pads of moon gel for the mic, so that it picks up the drum and doesn't overdo it. Usually put them right here and right here. And this is moon gel, so it does a nice job. All right, let's see the difference. We have a winner. So thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe, like, share. If you know somebody who might benefit from learning how to tune their drums, send them to my page. We have a lot going on. We have tunes from my bands. We have some rudimental drumming tutorials, all that good stuff. So I hope to see you on my channel. Thanks and have a great day.